Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a letter I craft. We're going to make an iguana. To make this craft, we're going to start out with a green A4 sheet of paper. We're going to cut it in half. Then we're going to cut it in half again. Now that we have a quarter of the page, we're going to fold it lengthwise and then we're going to fold it again. Now we're going to cut out a little rectangle from the inside part. This is how to make a letter I without using a template. I'm making two of everything for me and my little friend. After making the letter I, I'm going to draw the iguana's head. Then I'm going to cut it out. After that, I need to draw the iguana's tail. And then once again, I'm going to cut it out. Next, I'm going to use these two pieces of yellow paper to cut out little triangles. They will be the spikes on the iguana's back. Hello!
Hi!
Today we're going to learn about the letter I. Do you know what we're going to make?
Ivan the iguana.
That's right, we're going to make Ivan from the story Iguana in an Igloo. You can find the story on this channel. First, we're going to stick the letter I on the page.
And then we'll need the head.
After we glue the head on the top of the I, we need to add something else. Do you know what we need?
We need a tail.
That's right. Let's add a tail to the bottom of the I. Now, what do you think we need after the tail?
The iguana needs eyes so it can see.
Now we're going to use these yellow triangles to make the spikes on the iguana's back.
The spikes on the iguana's back look super cool.
Now we're going to use this red marker to make an iguana tongue. Now we're going to write the word iguana on the top. Do you know how to spell iguana?
Yes! I-G-U-A-N-A.
Good job! Finally, we're going to practice writing the letter I on the bottom of the page. I really enjoyed learning about the letter I with you.
And I really enjoyed making this cool iguana craft.
This was fun, thank you!
I had fun too, bye!
I hope you enjoy making this craft with your little one. Please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you!